In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Minecraft Java Edition with a controller on Minecraft version 1.21.6. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. It really helps out. Maybe you prefer using a controller over a keyboard. That's totally understandable. In today's video, we're walking you through everything you need to know and do to set up controller support using a mod. Let's get started. First, if you have Minecraft open, go ahead and close it. And yes, this does include the launcher. And go ahead and open up a browser of your choice. I'm going to be using Chrome, but it doesn't really matter what you use. Go ahead and search up a Minecraft controllable mod and go ahead and hit enter and look for the CurseForge link up at the top. Once you get to a page that looks something like this, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually click on the Files tab and now filter the game version to Minecraft 1.21.6 or 1.21.5. Both actually work for this process. Once you go ahead and get this option, go ahead and select the three dots in the right hand section of this and go ahead and hit download. Just make sure you're doing this one with the Fabric option and not the NeoForge one. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and wait the 5-ish seconds for it to load and it's going to automatically start downloading. And now open up a new tab and search for Fabric Minecraft. Go ahead and open up the first link right here and hit download. And then hit download for Windows just like so. And once again, it's going to automatically start downloading. If the file doesn't look like this, by the way, go ahead and download Java by just going to java.com or following the tutorial uploaded on my channel earlier today. Now we're also going to need Fabric API, so go ahead and open up another tab and search for Fabric API CurseForge and go ahead and click on this first link, go to Files, and once again, find the same file for the game version that we just downloaded. So if it was 1.21.6, do that one, or 1.21.5, go ahead and do this one. Once again, make sure it's Fabric and hit download file. It's going to once again take you to a page that looks something like this. Wait for those 5 seconds to finish, and it's going to download up here. If it does say suspicious download blocked, go ahead and click on this and hit download suspicious file and you'll be good to go. Now open up File Explorer, go to your downloads and find that Fabric installer and go ahead and double click on it. And then go ahead and choose the same Minecraft version for the mod that you just downloaded. So in this case, it was Minecraft 1.21.5, but if you did 1.21.6, choose that option. Go ahead and hit install, and it's going to go ahead and load for a second, and then hit OK when it's done with that. Close this out, and open up that Minecraft launcher. From here, go ahead and make sure the correct Fabric loader for the correct version is actually selected right here. Go to installations, find that same loader and hit the little installation folder icon to open up a page that looks like this. Find the mods folder, open it up, and it should look something like this. If you don't have a mods folder, you're good to just go ahead and create one, by the way. Now open up your other File Explorer and go ahead and drag the Fabric API mod in there and also drag that controllable Fabric mod in here as well. Now you can go ahead and close both of these, head back to play, and then make sure once again it's on Fabric Loader for whatever version you decided to do and hit play again. Now when you hit play and get loaded into Minecraft, all you have to go ahead and do is just plug in your controller and you'll be good to go. But that's it, you're now ready to play Minecraft Java Edition with a controller. If this video helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.